Okay, let's jump right in with section 3 of chapter 3, Elements and Compounds. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into other substances by chemical methods. So it's the substance that can't be broken down anymore and still be something usable. We could break it down into protons, neutrons, and electrons, but then it's got weird behaviors and it's not really something that we can use. Examples of an element would be iron, aluminum, oxygen, hydrogen. Any substance that can be found on the periodic table is an element. Everything in the world is made up of elements, whether they are individual elements, individual pure substances, or mixtures of those things. Everything is made of elements. A compound is a substance that has a specific combination of elements that can be broken down into those elements by chemical methods. So water is a compound. It's two hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom. It can be broken down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Carbon dioxide is made up of one carbon atom bonded to two oxygen atoms. And table sugar is 12 carbon atoms bonded with 22 hydrogen atoms and 11 oxygen atoms. A compound always contains different types of elements. It has to have at least two or more, and it always has the same composition, meaning it has the same combination. It has the same number of each element every single time. So if you have water, it is always going to be H2O. If you add another oxygen to that molecule, you now have hydrogen peroxide, and it has very different properties. I can drink water. In fact, I should drink water in order to live, but if I drink hydrogen peroxide, it's going to be bad news bears. I'm probably going to have to go have my stomach pumped, or I'm going to die. It's that bad. Don't drink hydrogen peroxide, guys. So all of these substances on the screen are compounds. They are made up of at least two different types of elements. Water, hydrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen. Sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Manganese and oxygen. And hydrogen and fluorine. All of these are compounds, okay? They combine in specific ways to make these molecules. Now, throughout the year, we're going to learn how to name those molecules, how to name those compounds. Don't worry, we're not there yet. Right now, I just want you to know that they are compounds. And that's it for this video, guys. If you have questions, let me know.